Hello everyone, in this video we would like to show the work that we finished in the Nissan Elgrand 2007 model, and this one actually is import from Japan directly to Australia. So it is the one that come with the Japanese board like this before, and also it come with the small screen head unit over here before, which already been modified and replaced. But at this moment it is coming with our new 9-inch premium setup, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, which is Android Auto on the screen with the phone we are recording this video. And the 9-inch system has all the features that we have built into this car. It has strong amplifier in the head to support the speaker at much better level. It connects well to those steering wheel control button, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You know that 2 of this button belong to the top screen here, so nothing we can do with those 2 buttons, but all the button connect very well into our head unit system, and it fit very nice on the dash and align to all the parts, so it doesn't affect to the use of the gearing, hazard button, air conditioner control panel, or the button over here. And it gives a very best angle of view to the system for the driver, and it gives a full touchscreen system with very easy and convenient LED touchscreen. So yeah, that's about the 9-inch system we fit in a Nissan Elgrand E51 2007 model, directly import from Japan. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next one.